If you want to add fingerprint on a Realme 14T, then first of all we need to open settings. Now over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy. Next you should be able to go to device unlock, and after that select fingerprint and face unlock. Over here we want to choose fingerprint, of course. Press agree, enter the current password of your screen lock, and then we can press add now. Over here we have our sensor, so we need to place our finger on the sensor, just touch it and then lift it. And then keep touching and lifting. And do this from different angles. Place your finger on different angles. There we go. In order to, of course, avoid any misuses of the fingerprint sensor. And we need to keep doing this until this whole image in the middle of the screen is filled with the color. There we go. And we are finally done. Over here now we can press done in order to go to the settings, or you can add another fingerprint right after. I'm just gonna press done. Then over here we are suggested to also use the face recognition feature, however I'm gonna cancel in this case. And here we can find our fingerprint. We can tap on these three dots in order to delete the fingerprint. We can also add another one. We have the usage of fingerprint, so you can decide where it can be used, and so on. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.